Do you know about the Dollar General penny list? Every week, Dollar General marks down certain items to only a penny, but you're not supposed to know about that. It's actually a signal for the employees to remove the items from the shelves, but not if you buy them first. So 1, plan ahead with our list of penny items that we post at our link in the description below every Monday afternoon. 2, get there early. Tuesday mornings at store open are usually the best time to find penny items. 3, honor the hunt and don't ask the employees for help. Just follow our list every week and start with the 90% off clearance, but some items may be found in general aisles. 4, download the Dollar General app and scan items to check their price. If they scan at all zeros, you found an item you'll pay just 1 penny for at checkout. On our last trip, we found this hanging wall pocket, regularly $10, but we paid a penny. 5, be aware of penny resets, where an item that is on the penny list now may go back to regular price if they decide to bring it back in stock. And 6, use self-checkout, as employees are supposed to be taking these items off the shelves and could decide not to sell them to you. Want this week's up-to-date penny list? Tap the link in the description below and happy hunting!